What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at the call logs section. So you'll find this on the left side here under the call logs tab. And for example, let me go to this assistant and I'll just grab this ID. We can do some cool things here. So I can search by this ID and it'll grab all of the calls related to that assistant, which you can see here. And then I can go inside this one and I have information like my call log ID, my call SID, assistant ID, country code of the calling, the cost, duration, all of these sorts of details. I can also see the transcript. And then if I have the summary turned on, I'll also get a summary inside this analysis. So let me show you an example here of a longer call. Go here. Okay, so here we can see this assistant was called. This is Mary's dental assistant. And we can see that we were discussing what kind of services they offer, what kind of prices they charge for things like a cleanup, how long does it normally take. And so we can see the whole call transcription here, and then inside the analysis we can see the summary. And so this very cleanly summarizes that prompt, and whatever we put inside that summary in the assistant we'll see here. So if you asked for this in dot format, you'll get dot points. If you ask for it to evaluate the mood of the user while during the call, you'll also see that here as well. So this is really useful for seeing how your calling is actually going, and you can see how the user is perceiving the call as well. We have a couple of filters available as well here, so we can search by all of the inbound calls, all of the outbound calls. We can search based on assistant. I apply this one and you can see all of these ones are just from Sam here. We can also check what was the reason for the call ending, and so you can see user hung up, which is a natural end. We can see there was a call here where the silence timeout was activated. We can also see there was none that hit the max duration. There was one where the assistant hung up. And so all of these things are really useful to evaluate how your calls are going, and you can filter by those assistant to see and compare one assistant to another and find out which one is doing better, and then you can follow that pattern. And yeah, that's the call log section. Thanks for listening guys, and keep an eye out for the next tutorial. Thanks.